But when you think of fishing, we're number one not only in the country, but we're one of the top fishing destinations in the world. When you look at what's offered in Venice, Louisiana, in terms of inshore and offshore saltwater fishing, and then even on the freshwater side at Toledo Bend, we're nationally and known for being a great bass fishery.
The Louisiana side, not the
Louisiana
Texas
side. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. We actually went up fishing there not too long ago, and it's interesting. We have a reciprocatory agreement with Texas in terms of how that's managed. Whether you've launched on the Louisiana side or the Texas side, we kind of work together on that.
Cook.
Yeah,